Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Just gonna go on a quick ride today. Going on a burrito run. Gotta get some food in my belly. I'm on the 750 watt mid-drive bike today. I think it's like 35 degrees Fahrenheit outside, so it's a little bit chilly, but not too bad. I usually take this bike on the sidewalk. It's kind of like 4 or 5 p.m.-ish right now, so the roads are going to be a little busy for this bike. We're going to have to ride on them a little bit, but so how's everyone doing? One of the reasons I built this bike was just to run into town quick. Just when you need to go into town by yourself and you're not really like hauling around any kids or anybody else, and you don't need a vehicle for a bunch of groceries or anything like that. I'll just ride my bike into town and save some gas money. This is gonna be a shit show right here. So I just greased up my BBS02 earlier, the secondary gear at least, and I never realized that the drive cover on the BBS02 is actually plastic. I didn't realize that. Never taken it apart before, but I didn't realize that it's actually kind of easy for water to get into the BBS02. There's not like really a gasket or anything preventing water from getting inside. So I'm gonna have to grease it up a little bit more often. The BBS drive cover is like metal, and it's got some kind of like a gasket in there, and I think it's a little more waterproof. It looks like the sidewalk coming back up the hill is kind of cleared off at this point. It's been pretty icy. That's the way we're gonna have to come back. It's back up this hill. My vehicle doesn't get the best gas mileage anymore. It's like a 2005, so it's getting kind of old. I can save a lot of money just running into town real quick on this bike. I can smell the Chipotle from here. I can smell the burritos, guys. We've nearly reached our destination. Now to head back. But yeah, so that was like 3 miles here. So it's gonna be about 6 mile trip total. So if you eat burritos as much as I do, it can save you some gas money riding your e-bike on the burrito runs. I'm probably gonna do a video on that pretty soon, like building a commuter e-bike to replace your car for as many things as possible. So look for that video coming soon. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, so now we're going back up this hill. But yeah, guys, so would that be a video you guys are interested in, like how I built this commuter e-bike? So we got some ice here, we're gonna have to be careful. I see one other brave soul has rode a bike down here. That wasn't too bad. I kind of like riding down this side street a little bit more than that road when possible. So let me know in the comments, guys, have you got an e-bike for the purposes of replacing your car at all? And what do you use your e-bike for? Like for me, I do a lot of like short trips into town where it's just me, nobody else. I'm not really carrying like a whole lot of cargo or anything. I just gotta run into town and do something quick and then go back home. And I don't necessarily need to like be going super fast or anything. My e-bike in town, my e-bike can go pretty much just as fast as cars do in terms of the speed limit. So it's not that much faster to go in a car. But yeah, so let me know in the comments, guys, what do you use your e-bike for where it kind of replaces your car? Because I think that's a great way to save money. My catalytic converter is all clogged up and I think it's affecting the fuel efficiency of my vehicle. Okay, we're on the home stretch. But I mean, if I can ride my bike around basically in the winter to go get burritos like this, I mean, it's cold out, but get some exercise, get out for a ride. I mean, I bet if you live somewhere warm where the winter is a little more tolerable, you could probably replace your car. Man, I bet I could almost entirely replace my car. But I know some people have kids and stuff. And like if you're going to the grocery store to get groceries for like a whole family, you're probably gonna have a whole cart full of stuff that's not gonna fit on like a cargo bike. But for me, it's a pretty big deal to be able to ride an e-bike for a lot cheaper than driving my car. Alright guys, so that was it. That was the burrito run. We've gone 5 miles so far. Still probably got another mile till I get back home. But so make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're into e-bike stuff. I want to make a video pretty soon and talk about how I built this commuter e-bike, you know, very affordably, under $1,500, and it's a 750 watt mid-drive with a, you know, big 48 volt 20 amp hour battery. So it's a very capable e-bike and an affordable price. So stay tuned for that video where I'll go over this bike and how I built it and how you can build your own bike. I hope everybody's doing well, and I'll see you guys next time.